It's the only thing as big around here as Big Tex himself. You know what I'm talking about. From classics like taffy and cotton candy, all the way to modern-day delicacies. But did you know that one of the most epic classics of fair food was invented right here at the State Fair? I'm talking about the Corny Dog. Invented in 1942 by Fletchers, still serving them up hot and run by second-generation Corny Dog man, Bill Fletcher.
Who was the genius that decided to batter and deep fry hot dogs?
Actually, it was mutually conceived by my uncle and my father, but Dad is recognized in the 1996 book Guinness World Records as the inventor of the Corny Dog and the man on this planet who sold more Corny Dogs than anybody else.
Oh my goodness, I bet. Look at this crowd out here today. I don't think you can come to the State Fair without getting a Fletcher's Corny Dog. It's sort of just part of the experience.
There's a few folks that don't like Corny Dogs, but not very many, and we're working on them. We're working on them. Trying to convert them.
I don't know who they are, and I don't need to know who they are.
No, we don't want to know who they are.
Well, hey, could you make one of these for us?
I would love to.
All right.
I think we need to get you to try to cook one, Chuck.
I won't pass up a chance for that. Is it more about the weenie or the batter?
It's a lot of little things. I think if you had to pin it down to one thing, you got to say the batter. The formula for this mix is in a safe in Denton, Texas. So.
Whoa! So y'all don't even keep that in Dallas?
No, sir. Keep it out of Dallas. Too dangerous to have it. You were going to get that back end covered.
Okay, all the way down to the stick.
Okay, now wait a minute. And then you turn that tip straight up to the ceiling. Bam, baby. Look at that, a natural.
And I'm going to watch mine to make sure I get to eat mine.
I think you should. If you cooked it, you got to eat it.
I agree.
Fletcher sells an estimated 300,000 of these a year to both the ketchup and the mustard types. But me, yep, I'm a mustard man.
You know, there's just something about eating a Corny Dog inside of the State Fair of Texas. That's good. You take this same thing, you walk 200 yards that way, eat it outside the gates, it does not taste the same. Oh, this is so good.